The following segment is sponsored by Potatoes USA. It's the new year, which means many of us are trying to eat better, save money, and find more time in our day. There is a kitchen hero that is a simple solution for it all, the potato. Cara is here to share tasty potato recipes and cooking hacks that everyone will enjoy. Cara, thank you so much for being with us today.
Yes, thanks so much for having me. I can't wait to share more about America's favorite vegetable, which is the potato.
I agree. It's my personal favorite vegetable. Why should people include more potatoes in their diets?
Well, we'll get to this in a moment about the nutritional powerhouse that potatoes are, but in addition to that, they're also affordable. They've got a long shelf life, and many of these cooking methods that we'll cover are faster than you might think.
Perfect. Okay, so you mentioned the word nutritious. How nutritious are potatoes?
Well, in each serving of potatoes, you'll find nearly a third of your vitamin C for the day. In addition to that, they also have more potassium than our 20 most popular fruits and vegetables. And then finally, with the fullness factor, we have potatoes providing 3 grams of that plant-based protein. That's more than any other commonly eaten vegetable besides dried beans. And fiber. We know that's the key to feeling fuller longer.
Okay, what everyone's been waiting for. Can you share your hacks with cooking potatoes with us?
Yes, I'm constantly being asked about cooking hacks because we're all looking to save time in the kitchen, but one of my favorite preparation methods for potatoes is to roast them. Now, the key here to an even cook is to make sure that they are all a similar size. So whether you're using a sheet pan like I have here with our roasted turkey and herbed potatoes, or the air fryer, which is another great quick cooking method. This is a great method for, getting ahead for cooking during the week. I'll be adding them to bowls and burritos to make them more filling and nutritious, but this is a wonderful option if you're doing some cooking at home this week.
Okay, Cara, I feel like I'm asking you to spill all of your secrets, but I have to know, what are your favorite recipes that incorporate potatoes?
Well, this time of year, soups are always top of mind. And if you're like me and you want to put your slow cooker to work, I would add this recipe for a green chili, corn, and potato chowder to your menu. I just look down, I see those vibrant colors, beautiful flavors and aromas coming together to complement our potatoes. This is a breeze to put together, so simply enjoy that hands-free cooking method with our slow cooker or Instant Pot. And finally, don't forget that the freezer is your friend. And so the other option that I have right here is a Tuscan kale and potato soup. What I love about this option is incredibly easy to portion it out into smaller containers. And then throughout the week, whenever you're ready to enjoy, just reheat and add a splash of cream to achieve that just taste flavor.
Perfect. Okay, well, the question, what is for dinner, has been solved. Cara, where can we go for more information?
Yes, all of these recipes as well as those cooking hacks and the nutrition information can be found online at potatogoodness.com/withcara.
Perfect. Well, thank you so much for being with us today.
Thanks so much for having me.